She running, y'all. I think I have vacuum lines backwards, bro. All I did was put them on the same way I took them off, but I think the person had them on wrong. Let's see if it's gonna go on there, bro. Or let it run for a second. I need to get it outside, bro, to wash it. Baby, run. Yeah, I was about to say, move that real quick because I'm about to power wash this dirty shit.
I'm about to leave right now.
Oh, all right. Yes, sir. We made it outside. Time to run it up. Run up the subscribers. Let's go see how clean Rusty Jones is. We can see the sticker today. Finally. I'll tell you one thing. You know, I'm gonna keep it to myself, bro. Just know, I don't care what anybody thinks as far as the mileage on this car. I don't care. I really don't. All my cars got low mileage. Up, look. You can see the color of the valve covers. A little dripping. Just hit these door jambs a little bit. I ain't even got no scrubbies, no Scotch Brite or nothing. Actually, I do got Scotch Brite downstairs. Damn, I'll do that later. This car needs attention. This car definitely needs attention. This is my Rusty Jones. She definitely running better. Definitely. She didn't try to cut off when I pulled it back in here, and I was going forward, back, just to maneuver, so that's a good sign. Power steering. I swore I had power steering, but this shit, power steering is new. That's what I'm assuming all that oil was anyway. Power steering. Look how clean we got. I gotta get that paint so when I do these valve covers tomorrow, I can get that painted up. I'm gonna have to move this line right here. Sits on top of the valve cover. And I think there's a whole bunch of shit on the other side. A whole bunch of shit. That's a whole bunch of shit to be moving. Gotta get it done though. So yeah, tomorrow we'll do valve covers. I'm gonna order the EGR valve tonight. I was like, let me check on that. It's right behind here. On the 305. I think it's located on the side, but mine's is behind. Where that stick is. I can't wait to get this on a lift so you guys can see it underneath the car. But that won't be today. Low key, we're doing this dashboard ASAP. Like ASAP, because I don't want to look at that. This dash looks horrible. We're gonna get our sprayway on and get it done. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We got 3 bills going at once. We got the 81 coupe, we got the giveaway 87, and we got the 88 9C1. I'm doing the rear end tomorrow. Matter of fact, let me go downstairs and show you what we got done. We got one of the fenders here. Cleaned it up. I'm gonna go over it. Do a little bit of slight body work. There's no more rust. Do what I want now. Giveaway box Chevy, man. Yes, sir. Everything blacked out. Everything new. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm giving this away for free. 26,000 miles on it. 26 or 27? I was riding this mug, so we might have went up. Yeah, we went up because I was riding it. You can't see it, but it's 27,000 miles on it. All original, clean title. This is another one that stayed outside and then. Look at the motor though, it's clean. I took one look at the motor, heard the engine run. I knew it was official. Seen the title, official mileage. Yeah. We're gonna do the other fender tomorrow and probably start the rear end depending on how I feel. But we gotta get it done because once that rear end's here, I'm doing this whole rear suspension, gas tank, and then we'll be working on the front end. I'm gonna do those fuel lines before I do the front suspension, and we need this. So as soon as that rear suspension is done, I'm really going junkyard hunting because it seems like nobody wants to help me. We need that cross member. We need that. So if anybody can get that from a junkyard and something for me, got those cleaned up, I would appreciate it so much. I'd pay you, obviously. Ain't nothing free. And yeah, stay tuned, lock in.